is currently like 12 something, and this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. I wouldn't necessarily say I have a morning, night routine or day routine. It really just depends on what I'm doing. So like today, I just happened to be going to my friend's house. I decided to actually do my hair, like actually do it. So 2 ponytails, a couple pins, put a little earrings on, little jewelry, little glasses, and boom, you got yourself a hair day. Okay, I'm gonna go hang out with her and I will be back. Good official morning to you guys. I completely forgot to do my night routine. So this is day 2, Tuesday. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. About to drop my son off to school. But this is how the morning is going in my bonnet. Okay. I just took my bonnet off. I am currently chilling on my patio outside. I feel like I'm having a good hair day for the most part. When I tell y'all, I seriously don't do anything to my hair. I seriously don't do anything to my hair. This is what she's gonna look like all day. She's looking pretty healthy, pretty thick, shiny, you know. Spent the day in my bed. So it is Tuesday. This is what she's looking like. And I just wanted to really do this video this way because I want you to really see my reality with my hair, not me just like getting cute and, you know, setting up just to show y'all this is how my hair is going. But no, this is my reality. It is Tuesday. I've spent the day in my bed and just coming up with, you know, different ideas, commenting you guys, things like that. And yeah, that's really all that I'm doing. I did go to sleep with my bonnet. I am proud of myself. I have been sleeping with my bonnet more often now because I am tired of not sleeping with my bonnet and my hair just being all over the place. So I have been making it my business every night to sleep with my bonnet. So it's been a couple days straight now, which I'm proud of myself. So yeah, that's what's going on. So Tuesday, we can say I respectfully didn't do none to my hair. I didn't put it in a style. I just left it like this. I did do some separating. Well, you already saw that earlier in the clip. But yeah. So I will check back with you when something is happening with my hair. I figured that I really wanted to give you live footage of me just during the day, during the night routine, morning routine, and really just show you what I do so you can have a gist. So I just took a shower. That's why I had this on, because I don't want my hair to get wet only when I'm washing it. So this is what it's looking like. I think what I want to do is I think I want to take some pictures tomorrow. So usually when I know I want my hair to be down, I will usually get 4 scrunchies, and you see how that's how I usually want it to sit. So I'll usually just grab, and I'll do 2 in the front, and then the 2 in the back. Some of these, like the back pieces, they'll have to get scrunchy twice. Okay, so this, put that in a ponytail, and then the front. Now the reason why I'm doing this is basically to just stretch my hair. So I'm just basically stretching my hair for tomorrow. So that's why I have them in scrunchies. Now, I am going to try something out, which is putting my silk scarf under my actual hair bonnet that I sleep with, because I noticed that when I am trying to, sleep with my bonnet, when I take the bonnet off, because the bonnet is so loose, I feel like my hair is, it's as if I didn't go to sleep with a bonnet at all. You know what I mean? And speaking of bonnet, I don't see her. Like, am I tripping? Okay, I don't know where I put my bonnet, so look, I'm just gonna do what I would do in real life, which is what I'm doing right now. Tie this sucker up. Okay. And then, perfect. So tomorrow morning well, shoot, it might be tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow when I wake up, I will show you what this hair ended up looking like, all of that jazz. So keep on watching. It is currently Wednesday and it's 6:12 p.m. and as you can see, my bed is a mess, but regardless of that, I never took my scarf off, so nothing has changed, nothing has happened. So this is the reality. Wednesday is I didn't end up taking any pictures. I didn't end up doing none of that. I have to put my laundry away, and I'm just laying here. So this is what Wednesday is looking like. You feel me? And of course, as I was saying that I had this thing on my head all day, then I realized that the back was mad tight, so I'm taking it off now. This is what she looking like. And now I am going to chill out around the house with my hair like this. God, I am exhausted. I literally passed out and I woke up like, what happened? Where am I? What's going on? But yeah, this is how I'm gonna leave my hair out for a little bit because my head is killing me. I think I had that scarf on my head for way too long, and I think I tied it, well, at least the scrunchies felt a little tight in the back, so yeah. I have been completely leaving the locks alone. So they're starting to bud on their own, like this one. I don't even know where this one came from. Like, why are you this long? But clearly it hasn't started budding yet. You know, I have a couple here that are trying to bud. But yeah. All right, I will get back on here later on tonight before bed. So it is now, oh damn, okay, 7 o'clock in the morning. Just dropped my son off at, I was gonna say at work. I just dropped my son off at school, and I'm just looking at myself in the car, and I'm like, I did not think I was gonna be looking like somebody mama when I had a child, you know. I mean, I'm lying, because I always thought that whenever I had kids and I was gonna drop them to school, I was gonna be looking like somebody Haitian grandmother. But this is what my hair is looking like. I'll go ahead and take this bonnet off real quick so you could kind of see in real time. So it's Thursday. This is what it's looking like in the morning. I want to take some pictures today, and yeah, so I want to take some pictures, and I will be showing you guys what I end up doing with my hair later on. I'm gonna go lay in my bed for a little bit, but yeah, later on I want to go ahead and take some pictures, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what I end up doing with my hair to set up, so I can take some pictures for my channel and my website and stuff like that. So I will definitely be back to show you what that actually looks like. All right, peace. It is currently the afternoon, 12:55 in the afternoon, Thursday, and this is what my hair is looking like. I am just looking and editing this short that I want to put up, but yeah, that's basically what the status of my hair is right now. So once I do something, or actually take the pictures that I said I was gonna take, then I'll be back. Well, I completely forgot to record yesterday, which was Thursday, and I actually had this on all day yesterday, and today It is now 4:16 p.m. and I still have it on. So this is what it's gonna look like all day. But I really hope you guys really liked this style video, because I really just wanted to show you like what I actually do with my hair on a daily basis, so you can get the gist of, you know, what I do basically. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it really shows you like how I am just so chill with my hair to basically doing nothing. And actually this week I did one hairstyle, which was what, Monday, and I was happy I did that because I don't even be doing anything to my hair. Like I keep it real simple, and for the most part in my scarf. And you know what I love too, real quick, I really love wearing my scarf because look, I'm gonna give you a little, when I wear my scarf, it already lays my hair exactly how I want it. So all I gotta do is kind of like just move it around and shake it up. And already starts to lay my hair down. So if I wanted to wear my hair down, I would be happy because it, you know, it lays down for the most part. Alrighty guys. I love how some of these locks in the back here are finally, you know, trying to do something. So I'm happy about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my real life, what I be doing with my hair routine, because I just wanted to make that very like honest. I didn't want to come on here and like put on a show and tell you like, oh yeah, I be doing this, I be doing that. No, I don't be doing that. This is what I'm actually doing, okay? But if you guys haven't already, don't forget to put on your bell notification so you know when I'm posting my next videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.